In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use an American Express gift card on the Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you have acquired an American Express gift card, you might be curious if it is possible to use it during checkout directly on your Nintendo Switch. So what you might try to do is open the eShop and in there add everything to your cart, such as games, expansions, add-ons, etc. Once you have everything listed in your cart, you will be able to proceed to checkout to see the available payment methods. Now, obviously, you are going to notice the standard ones such as credit card or PayPal that are available for most regions of the world. Besides this, you also have the option to redeem a Nintendo gift card to receive balance and use your balance on your account to finish this purchase. However, besides these three main options, there doesn't seem to be a lot of other options related to payments. So, as of today, is it possible to redeem or use your American Express gift card directly on your Nintendo Switch? Is there some sort of workaround to this, or is it completely impossible? Sadly, as it stands today, if you try to do this process directly on the eShop on your Nintendo Switch, you will not be able to use your American Express gift card during checkout. As I said, it isn't available as a payment option, so you won't be able to do it directly in there. However, if you can go to a digital or even physical retailer such as Walmart, Amazon, Target, and find a Nintendo Switch gift card to buy using your American Express gift card, then you will be able to simply redeem the gift card on your Nintendo Switch eShop and use the balance that way. But using the American Express gift card on the eShop itself is impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that using the American Express gift card directly on the eShop is not available. However, you can use the gift card to purchase a Nintendo gift card instead. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.